Welcome back. CBI has taken over Atala and Dudu drug nexus cases. CBI is waiting for the extradition of Atala from Peru. They have appealed the public at large to provide any information concerning drug nexus to them. CBI team led by DIG Salunke and SP Gavli will investigate these cases.
But it is very clear that a public at large, a certain big section is concerned with the drug menace here. And certainly it is being peddled here, though till now what we know is on a very small scale. But if there is some organized racket or some nexus, that we will certainly look into.
SS Gavli has informed that Atala's extradition process is on and Atala police drugs nexus case is taken over by the CBI. CBI is in the process of undertaking Goodler's case.
Matter about extradition of that gentleman was already pending. Now the position is that the latest position we are not aware about because Goa police was pursuing with his extradition. But as far as I came to know that he has been detained there in Peru and they are awaiting for further course of legal action. Once we take over that case particularly, then we will have to extradition also will be pursued by us.
CBI has appealed the public to provide any information regarding drug dealers to them. These are the numbers where any person can provide information to the CBI. 245-9971, 245-9972, 245-9973, 245-9974.
We are also examining the possibility of taking assistance from the Goa government as well as from the police, since there are 3 cases and we have limited manpower and staff here. General statement to the public at large that if anybody has any information or to be shared, whether he wants to come forth in a written form or an oral form, he is most welcome. If he desires, we will maintain anonymity also, secrecy of his identity also, and we have our emails open for that, as well as our phone, faxes, number and everything.
CBI team will investigate in the drug nexus cases under the supervision of DIG CBI Mumbai Range PS Salunke and SP SS Gavli. These are the team members: PI Ashok Yadav, PI AK Dabas, PI Joy Damle. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Sushant Par.
The ITEC held a protest at Panji bus stand on Thursday. The protest was to highlight the steep rise in fuel prices by the government. They have demanded a rollback of the prices.
The All India Trade Union Congress has demanded rollback of fuel prices. They held a demonstration in this regard at Kranti Circle on Thursday. Around 50 demonstrators held up placards highlighting various problems faced by the common man. They say that the steep price rise along with inflation has hit the Aam Aadmi badly. They also pointed out that the government is mulling another price hike in the future.
पेट्रोलाचेर तुम्ही 5 रुपया वाडयले लिटरा फाटल्यान आता डिझेलाचेर 4-5 रुपया तुम्ही वाडोवंक सोदता लिटरा फाटल्यान LPG गॅस सिलिंडरा फाटल्यान 50-100 रुपया तुम्ही वाडोवंक सोदता जाल्यार गेल्या 11 म्हयन्या भितर तुम्ही 7-8 पावटी प्रेस वाडयलो हे आनी हाका लागून शीम आनी मेर नासतना ही म्हारगाय वाडला आनी हाका लागून लोकांक सामान्य लोकांक दिसपट्टो ग्रास जोडटा त्या लोकांक पगाराचेर जगतात त्या लोकांक जगपाक जायना की म्हारगाय थांबयात जो पेट्रोल डिझेल LPG गॅस सिलिंडर जे फ्युएल ऑयल्स ताचो जो प्रेस तुम्ही वाडयला तो परतून हाडात.
With our reporter Jason Suarez, our video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Major fires struck 3 places in the state on Wednesday and Thursday. The incidents have resulted in a loss of lakh of rupees to the owners. Short circuit is the common reason in 2 cases. Fire officials had a tough time in controlling the flames.
Ali scrapyard at Baina caught fire on Thursday. The reason behind fire was the short circuit. This is the 3rd time the scrapyard has caught fire. The scrapyard houses plastic items, scrap cylinders, roof slates and other items. Fire force reached at the site and controlled the fire.
लाइट का बोर्ड लोड का आवाज आने लगा हम देख रहे इसे क्या हुआ बोल के सीधा लाइट से उसे अंगारे निकला उतर नीचे होता.
Many have been opposing this scrapyard in the residential area. They claim that even after a number of complaints, no authority has taken any cognizance.
की हे जे स्क्रॅप यार्ड सिटीच्या भितर आसा, लागीं स्कूल आसा, सायडीन घरां आसा, बिल्डिंगी आसा, हांगासर हे स्क्रॅप यार्ड हांगाचे हालयचे म्हणून, पूण हेजेर तंतोतंत खंयचीच प्रशासन खंयचेच हेजेर विचार करिना.
Even the Vasco Fire Station officer Francis Mendes feel that this scrapyard should be shifted.
Either to shift them or give some, if they are out of the residential area, to provide something. But as of now, we don't give them any certificate from the fire.
In another incident, a house of Chandrakant Naik at Valant Vasco turned into ashes on Wednesday evening. Wife of Chandrakant, Asha Naik, had burned firewood in the kitchen. Fire got spread with the blowing wind. Fire force reached at the site and controlled the flames. It was tough for the fire force to control the fire due to narrow road.
Once the vehicle enters into that area, it is nearly impossible to move the vehicle out. Estimated loss was around 4 lakhs.
The family members of Chandrakant Naik were shaken up by this incident.
50,000 सुमार आसलेले माझ्याकडे.
आणि नुस्त्याचे किती आयटम बीन बोटीचे
बोटीचं मोटर एक असलं मोटर असलं
झाड बी नसलं
झाड काबार झाले सगळे.
Art Zone Printing Press gutted in fire on Wednesday night at Sukur Porvory. Short circuit is the suspected reason.
आमकां तेजे टोटल एक 15 लाख आमी केला अंदाजे, पण तेजे जास्त जावं शकता कमी जावं शकता आमी सांगूंक शकना. तेन्ना आमकां डिटेल अजून काय सांगूंक ना कितलो डॅमेज जाल्या ती.
Owner of the printing press, Suraj Nagvekar, says that estimated loss is around 35 lakhs.
ऑफसेट लेझर प्रिंटिंग प्लॉटर कॉम्प्युटर्स ते सगळे पिड्यार साधारण 36 lakhs.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar, and from Porvory, Sham Sundar Fatte.
People from Fatorda will get Chakchakit Fatorda by November 2011. Fatorda MLA Damu Naik has assured developmental works of around 40 crore rupees in his constituency. He claims that BJP had pressed for the appointment of computer teachers, but now somebody else is taking the credit.
त्यांचे सगळे केबल लिंक झाले नंतर त्यो लाईनी सगळे झाले नंतरच हॉटमिक्स करप, सरकारी पैशांचो तशेंच जनतेच्या पैशांचो दुरुपयोग करपाक दिवप ना हें तत्व धरलें आनी त्या अनुसार सगळ्यो रस्त्यांचे हॉटमिक्सिंग हें नोव्हेंबरान पूर्ण जातलें. चकचकीत फातोर्डा हो तुमकां पळोवपाक.
Government has given appointment letters to 458 computer teachers. Damu Naik says that BJP had raised this issue many a times in the assembly. But now when the appointments are done, some other people are snatching the credits.
Thanks all channels. कारण जे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडियान हे लाईव्ह दाखयले म्हणून लोकांक कळ्ळें आमचे विशय कोण काडटा तो, आनी तांकां आतां तांचे विशय धसात लावन तांकां हें जालें. लेटर मागीर कोणें आपल्या घरा कडेन आपोवन झेरॉक्स कॉपी मारून वाटूं. म्हणजे कितले हांव तांकां थर्ड क्लासगिरी म्हणटा. ज्या लोकांनी चुकून सुद्दां फाटल्या 5 वर्सां एक दीस चुकून सुद्दां स्टेटमेंट काडूनात.
Agitated people from Fatorda have called for Fatorda Bandh on 3rd July. They have demanded shifting of scrapyards from Fatorda. Damu Naik says that he will support the call. He also informed us that government should shift the scrapyards to alternate places.
आणि ताजे नंतर हे स्क्रॅपयार्ड पळय आसा न्ही ते काडचे, पण काडटना त्याच बरोबर तांकां ऑल्टरनेट ते जे पळय आमी स्क्रॅपयार्डा लागून नेसाय जागो घेतला आनी थंय ते हब करता म्हणून जे ठरयल्लें ते सरकारान करचें. आय फुल्ली सपोर्ट द कॉज ऑफ द.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
CCP workers are agitated. They say that CCP is not providing them necessary gears and equipments to clear the heaps of garbage at Kampal. They held a meeting with the mayor. Mayor Yatin Parekh claimed that all the gears are provided to the workers, but they didn't turn up for the work. Parekh has informed that all the issues will be sorted out after meeting the workers' union and supervisors.
Overpiling garbage and cropping controversies. CCP is surely going through a very messy phase. CCP workers stopped garbage clearance on Thursday morning. They claim that they are not provided necessary masks, gloves and gumboots for garbage segregation and clearance.
सो तुमकां इक्विपमेंट्स कांय दिना तुम्ही मागलेले तांकडे कितले सो
कलेक्शन दोगांक दिवपाक जाय
तुमचे दोन मागणी आसा महाकालाच्या दोघा जाणांक घालपाचें आनी माफी मागना जाल्यार तुमी वचचे नाका मग.
CCP mayor intervened and called all the workers in his cabin to resolve the issue. After dire discussion, this is what Yatin Parekh had to say.
पूण त्या हितून ते एग्री ना जाले तें काम करपाक आनी त्या उपरांत तेंच्यांनी आयज सकाळचो आदेश तेंच्यांनी कांयच काम करूंक ना. रोखडेच आमी युनियना कडेन मिटींग घेवन तेंचे प्रॉब्लेम कितें आसा तेंचे पर्सनल प्रॉब्लेम्स आसा थोड्यांचे ते प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करतले.
कितें प्रॉब्लेम कितें
तेंचे प्रॉब्लेम तुमी तांकां विचारा जे प्रॉब्लेम आसा ना तेंकां सांगला तेंच्यांनी प्रॉब्लेम ते कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा ते आमी युनियनाक व्हरतले. तेंकां ग्लावज गमबूट्स मास्क हे सगळे आमी सकाळी रेडी दवरलेले.
15 दिसाला किती मागता पण 15 दिसाला कांय
तूं तेंकां विचार न्ही. डबल लेबर मागता ते डबल लेबर आमकां सद्याक लेबर शॉर्टेज आसा ते हितून आमी तांकां डबल लेबर दितले पूण हांव आतां एज ऑफ नाव हांगा बसून सांगूंक शकना. आमची सुपरवायझराची मिटींग घेवन आमी सांगतले.
Yatin has assured the Panjekars a clean city and has also appealed the citizens to cooperate with the cleanliness drive.
आमी हो गार्बेज कशाय भशेन पणजेचो गार्बेज आमी पणजेनूच ट्रीट करता. त्या खातीर थोडे दीस लोकांनी प्रॉब्लेम सोदून घेवचे पडटले पूण आमी लोकांक न प्रॉब्लेम जावपाचो आमचो सगळो प्रयत्न आसा.
Our video journalist Omkar Falari.
News from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.